It's that time of year again. Hunting season is approaching. And for crossbow hunters, that means picking the perfect gear. Today, we're diving deep into the world of crossbows to unveil the top 5 hunting crossbows for 2024. We'll be dissecting the features, performance, and price points to help you find the ideal crossbow for your needs and budget. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, there's a bow here for you. The top 5 hunting crossbows of 2024. Remember, the best crossbow depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, desired features, and hunting style when making your choice. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Number 5. TenPoint Vapor RS470 Hunting Crossbow Package. The TenPoint with HU's Light is a strong contender in the world of high-performance hunting crossbows. While it wasn't included in our top 5 list, it offers some compelling features that might make it a perfect fit for you. Power and speed. The Vapor RS470 boasts impressive arrow velocity, reaching up to 470 feet per second. This translates to exceptional downrange energy for ethical harvests. Slide cocking system. This innovative feature makes cocking the crossbow effortless and silent. It includes an anti-dry fire mechanism for safe operation and a cocking handle that can be adjusted for leverage. Accuracy. The RS470 is known for its superior accuracy, thanks to high-quality components and a vibration-dampening design. Complete package. This crossbow typically comes as a complete hunting solution, including arrows, a quiver, and a mounted scope. Number 4. Ravin Crossbows R29X Crossbow Package. The Ravin R29X with helicoil technology and silent cocking system is the undisputed king of our top 5 hunting crossbows list for 2024. This crossbow pushes the boundaries of performance and boasts features that make it a dream tool for serious hunters. Let's take a closer look at what makes the R29X so special. Helicoil technology. This revolutionary system replaces traditional cams with helical tracks that reduce friction during the firing process. Silent cocking system. The integrated cocking mechanism allows for silent and effortless cocking, a crucial feature for stealthy hunting. Superior balance. The R29X boasts exceptional balance, contributing to increased accuracy and reduced arm fatigue during extended use. Number 3. Excalibur TwinStrike Crossbow. The Excalibur is a unique crossbow designed for hunters who want the advantage of a quick follow-up shot. Here's a breakdown of its key features. DualFire technology. The TwinStrike's defining feature is its 2 independent triggers and dual rail system. This allows you to fire 2 arrows sequentially without reloading. The independent triggers ensure smooth and accurate firing of each arrow. Double the opportunity. The 2-shot capability gives you a significant advantage if your first shot isn't perfect. Compact design. For a double-decker crossbow, it maintains a relatively compact profile. Excalibur reputation. Excalibur is known for durability and reliability in crossbows. Number 2. The Wicked Ridge Invader 400 Crossbow. The Wicked Ridge Invader 400 Crossbow to peak camo boasts a combination of power, affordability, and convenience, making it a strong contender for crossbow hunters, especially beginners and budget-conscious users. Here's a breakdown of its key features to see if it aligns with your needs. New crossbow hunters. Its user-friendly design and ease of use make it a good starting point for those getting into crossbow hunting. Budget-minded hunters. The affordable price point makes it an attractive option for those who don't want to break the bank. Hunters who value maneuverability. The compact size and lightweight build are ideal for stalking through brush or hunting from blinds. The Wicked Rich Invader 400 offers a good balance of power, affordability, and user-friendliness. Number 1. CenterPoint Archery C0003 Amp 425 Crossbow. The CenterPoint Crossbow with Silent Crank C0003 is a solid option for crossbow hunters seeking a balance of power, affordability, and stealth. Here's a closer look at its features to see if it aligns with your needs. Hunters who value maneuverability. The compact design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. Budget-minded hunters. The AMP 425 offers good value for its features and performance. Hunters who prioritize stealth. The Whisper silencing system and Silent Crank make this crossbow exceptionally quiet. The CenterPoint AMP 425 with Silent Crank is a versatile crossbow that delivers decent power in a compact and user-friendly package. The silent operation is a major selling point for stealthy hunters. However, if your primary focus is on maximum power for large game or long distances, you might want to explore other options. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Good luck in the upcoming season, and happy hunting!